When the chip talks about density, it's talking about the CPU usage over the number of bytes in the transaction. And we want to keep it below some level so that every node can validate every transaction and not use too much of its CPU. Our safety margin right now is between 10 and 100 times. On typical consumer devices, their CPU utilization, if they're running Bitcoin Cash in the background and Bitcoin Cash is cranking out the max size blocks filled with the worst case transactions, they should use between 1% and 10% of those machines' available CPU. It is not sufficient to say that because we have a 10 to 100x safety margin on the virtual machine, we can safely 10x or 100x the block size and not lose any computers. But for the purposes of designing the limits for the virtual machine and talking about specifically the computation requirements of validating a transaction, the safety margin is 10 to 100x.
General Protocols Shorts. Banking on Freedom.